There is a place on Earth where the sun never reaches. A silent, remote kingdom hidden beneath kilometers of water, where light does not penetrate and the pressure is so immense it would crush any unprepared body. This is the world of the deep ocean, the depths beyond 1,000 meters, which make up the largest and least explored part of our planet. And yet, in this eternal darkness, life not only exists but is transformed in extraordinary ways. Deep-sea creatures are the result of millions of years of evolution, capable of enduring conditions that seem incompatible with existence. In the deep sea, sunlight disappears completely. This means that photosynthesis, the foundation of life at the surface, is impossible. Yet organisms have found other energy sources: marine snow fragments of organic matter that slowly fall from the upper waters, and hydrothermal vents where special bacteria convert chemical substances into energy through chemosynthesis. In the absence of light, many animals have developed remarkable adaptations. Gigantic eyes capable of detecting the faintest glimmers, or the complete loss of vision, replaced by more efficient senses such as touch, smell, or the perception of vibrations in the water. So, if the sun can't reach these deep ocean zones, well, animals have to get creative and make their own light. Through a pretty fascinating chemical process involving molecules called luciferin and an enzyme known as luciferase, a lot of species are able to generate blue or green glows, even in complete darkness. Bioluminescence actually plays a bunch of vital roles. For hunting, like with the anglerfish, which uses a glowing filament on its head, sort of like bait, to lure in prey. For defense, by confusing predators with sudden flashes of light. And for communication, like squids and crustaceans that use their glow to signal their presence to others. In these dark waters, light is no longer a gift of the sun, but a strategy for survival. At depths greater than 6,000 meters, the pressure exceeds 600 times that of the atmosphere. Here, bodies cannot have rigid skeletons like surface animals. This is why many deep-sea creatures have gelatinous, transparent, almost ethereal forms. The Mariana snailfish, also known as Pseudoliparis suirae, discovered at more than 8,000 meters, is the deepest living vertebrate ever observed. Its soft, flexible body allows it to withstand conditions that would destroy any non-adapted organism. In the deep sea, food is really scarce, and survival, well, it depends on the ability to exploit every available resource. Some animals feed on marine snow, which is basically organic particles drifting down from the illuminated zones above. Others rely on rare but massive feasts, like the carcasses of whales, which sink to the seafloor and, become oases of life for decades. Around hydrothermal vents, where water bubbles with toxic chemicals, colonies of giant tube worms, mollusks, and blind shrimps thrive. Here, life depends not on light but on chemistry. Chemosynthetic bacteria transform sulfur and methane into energy, sustaining entire ecosystems. Anglerfish, with its glowing lantern, is a symbol of deep-sea predation. The vampire squid, scientifically known as Vampiroteuthis infernalis, is a cephalopod that seems born of science fiction. It's capable of defending itself by releasing clouds of bioluminescent mucus. So, the gulper eel, huh? It's a fascinating creature with an enormous mouth capable of swallowing prey much larger than itself. Quite the feat, isn't it? Deep-sea jellyfish. They're transparent, shimmering, and honestly, some of them look like alien beings just drifting gracefully in the dark. The deep oceans cover more than 60% of Earth's surface, but, they are actually less explored than the surface of the moon. Every scientific expedition brings the discovery of new species, revealing just how much of this hidden world still remains unknown. Deep-sea animals teach us that life can adapt to really extreme conditions, reinventing itself with creative solutions, like turning chemistry into energy, producing light in the darkness, and even making fragility into strength. In this silent, shadowy kingdom, where the sun never shines and pressure crushes all, life not only survives, it glows, it dazzles, and it thrives in the eternal night of the oceans.